Good afternoon, one and all. This is Sathvik Reddy. Today we will talk about the Unit 5 discussion. Data types are the classification or categorization of different types of data. They define the type of data that can be stored in a particular field as well as the operations that can be performed on it. Common data types includes number, strings, data, and boolean values. Now we will discuss about the data types like primitive data types, collections, and objects. Nowadays, the uses of data types in a business process are very useful and also using the high level. Today, we'll talk about the primitive data types. In these primitive data types, mainly consists of the numbers, dates, and data type can be used in a business data type to track customer information, product inventory, sales figures, employee records, financial information, and more. For example, when we consider the primitive data type in business applications or business data, for example, a customer record could include a customer's name, address, phone number, and purchase history, all of which can be stored as numbers, text, or data types. By using the numbers, text, and data types only, the customer records could include or could save all this data by using these data types only. And secondly, collections. In these lists, arrays, and tables can be used to store the large amount of data in a business data type. For example, a product inventory might be stored in a list where sales figures could be stored in an array and employee records could be stored in a table. Yeah, as we all know that arrays and tables are the major and crucial role play in the business applications data. While all the figures are stored in the array because it is all the collections can be used to quickly access and manipulate large amounts of data from the existing database. When the business data have large amount of data or huge amount of data, collections will be best to choose to store the data in the list array tables using data types. In my way, I always suggest the collections are the best data types for the using the large business type of data. And then we go to the objects. It is used to store and manipulate data in a business data type. For example, an employee record might be stored as an object, which can include properties such as name, position, salary, and more. Objects can also be used to store and access data from multiple data sources such as databases, web services, and other sources. By using the objects, the whatever data is stored in the business and business data can be used to manipulate the data from each business data type. By using the objects data only, we have to manipulate and access the whole data in the database. For example, when a employee record might be stored as an object which can include properties such as name, position, and salary, and more. This type of it is very common to all the employees in the business or in the organization because in the objects only the all the data will be stored and so that objects can be used to store and access data from multiple data sources such as databases, web services, and other. In the databases, web services, the huge amount of data will be stored, and by using the different data types, there is a different possibilities also to access the data from the multiple resources. It is the today I said the data types and the important of the data types to which is in the real time business world or applications of the data types in the business organization. Thank you.